In the heart of Healdsburg, just 2 blocks from a historic plaza, a unique residential project takes shape, blending contemporary design with the town's characteristic charm. This project consists of 3 distinct residences, each thoughtfully designed to enhance the surrounding landscape while providing modern comforts. The 2 primary residences are 2-story L-shaped courtyard homes, and the 3rd residence takes the form of a bar above a garage, creating a sense of cohesion among the properties. The design of these homes draws inspiration from Healdsburg's architectural language, known for its shady porches, light-painted clapboard siding, and fertile landscapes. However, this traditional aesthetic is reinterpreted with a contemporary twist. The front of the building features a latticework screened porch, offering both privacy and shade, while a colonnaded portico adds a touch of elegance. Linear planters define the edge of the property, creating a clear boundary between the homes and the surrounding neighborhood. Drought-resistant planting covers the ground between the planters and the porch, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and a sensitivity to the local environment. As you step inside, the design reveals its true genius. Each of the L-shaped units forms a square, walled courtyard that serves as the heart of the home. Sliding glass doors wrap around the entire lower level, allowing the interiors to seamlessly merge with the outdoor spaces. The boundary between inside and outside becomes fluid and ambiguous, extending to the very edges of the site. These courtyards are more than just outdoor spaces. They are integral parts of the living environment, offering cool respite thanks to the lattices that provide shade and the lap pools that create a tranquil atmosphere. On the second level, 3 bedrooms overlook the courtyard, offering stunning views and a sense of connection to the outdoor space below. These bedrooms appear to float above the glass-wrapped lower level, adding a sense of lightness to the design. Pocket sliders allow the rooms to dissolve into light and air, further blurring the line between interior and exterior. The materials used throughout the project are simple yet elegant. White-painted metal siding and white-painted bar grating for the lattices create a crisp, clean look, while dark concrete hardscape merges seamlessly with charcoal porcelain tile floors, adding a touch of sophistication. To the west of the residences, a 10-foot wide walkway connects the homes to the garage, which faces a rear alley. This practical design element ensures easy access to the covered parking spaces, of which there are 4, along with 1 visitor parking space. The garage also serves as the foundation for the 3rd residence, a bar-style home perched above, creating a unique and dynamic use of space. The 24-foot tall buildings are designed with flat roofs that provide ample space for photovoltaic panels and solar water panels, underscoring the project's commitment to sustainability. One of the primary goals of this project is to increase density without sacrificing the rural neighborhood scale. Despite the modern design and increased density, the residences maintain a sense of harmony with the surrounding community. The use of traditional elements, such as the latticework and colonnaded portico, ensures that the homes blend seamlessly with the existing architectural fabric of Healdsburg, while the contemporary reinterpretation of these elements sets the project apart as a forward-thinking development. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design. From the way the courtyards are enclosed by sliding glass doors to the choice of materials, every decision has been made with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. The result is a series of homes that feel both luxurious and grounded, offering residents a connection to nature while providing all the modern amenities they could desire. Ultimately, this project is a celebration of Healdsburg's unique character, reimagined for a new era. It respects the town's history and natural beauty while pushing the boundaries of contemporary design. By blending the indoors and outdoors, integrating sustainable elements, and maintaining a sense of scale that honors the surrounding neighborhood, these residences offer a vision of the future that is both innovative and deeply rooted in tradition.